How to delete Google Docs that has been shared with you by others. So in this video tutorial we are going to talk about how you can remove yourself or how you can delete that shared documents from your Google Drive. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment zero. So let me open Google Docs or Google Drive. Okay guys, so first we need to come in Google Drive. Just log in with your account and go to the Google Drive. Then the Google Drive will be open like this. At home you can see all your documents and file and folder here. So now this video for how you can delete your shared documents by others. So for to see the shared documents from others, we need to go in this option which is shared with me. So here you can see all the shared document with you. So in my case I have one document which is shared with me, so I want to remove it. That means I want to remove myself from this file. Okay, others people who share these documents, they people have this access for this file. But if I want to remove this document from my end, then I need to remove my email ID or my access from these documents. Okay, so what you need to just go to this document, go to this three dot option, go to the share, and here you can see all your user which have access of this file, and also you can see the owner. Now just find your email id and go to this option which is down arrow. Now here you can see the option called remove access. Just click on it and go to the save. Now the pop-up will be come up that your permission will be removed and you are not longer to access this file. Now you can see this file has been removed from your end, and the other people which have the access, they have the permission to use this file. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.